Observation 1430 Zulu. Wind calm. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 14 Celsius. Dew point 09 Celsius. Altimeter.
London Corbin traffic, helicopter 9361 Fox, maneuvering at the north ramp, London. London Corbin traffic, helicopter 9361 Fox, entering the north ramp from the North Hangars, London. London Corbin traffic, helicopter 9361 Fox, crossing the runway at taxiway Charlie. London Corbin traffic, helicopter 9361 Fox on the go, parallel taxiway 24.
London Corbin traffic, 1034, Mike X-ray 7 miles to the left, we'll be setting up 45 left down runway 24, London Corbin.
Mike X-ray, you coming into the left downwind?
Is that last calling for 4 Mike X-ray?
You coming into the left downwind?
Roger, we'll be doing left downwind, we're going to be entering the 45 for it.
9 Echo, are you on the go yet?
No, I'm right here on the ramp.
London Corbin traffic, helicopter 9361 Fox, right crosswind, runway 24, London. London Corbin traffic, helicopter 9361 Fox, right downwind, runway 24, London.
London Corbin traffic, K299 Echo, taxi 24, London Corbin. London Corbin traffic, 734 Mike X-ray is at 45 left downwind, runway 24, London Corbin. Is anybody on base yet for, I'll see you now, Rich, you still on your downwind or are you turning base?
I can turn base. If you want to go ahead and pull out, I'll hit the taxiway.
Copy that, I'll go ahead. London Corbin traffic, K299 Echo, departing runway 24, departure to the west, London Corbin.
London Corbin traffic, helicopter 9361 Fox base for the taxiway 24, London.
London traffic, stock 734, Mike X-ray, left downwind, runway 24, London Corbin.
London Corbin traffic, helicopter 9361 Fox, final for taxiway 24, London. London FBO, do we have anybody that can keep these people away from me? I'm about to go behind the fire truck and the Black Hawk.
Got the stock 734, Mike X-ray, left station 124, London Corbin. Stock 734, Mike X-ray, clear, runway 24, taxiing back to the ramp, London Corbin.
London traffic, helicopter 473 Alpha Echo, 10 south, inbound, landed to the ramp, London.
London Corbin traffic, Sky 299 Echo, 7 miles to the west over Laurel Lake, inbound landing 24, London Corbin.